Batch 439 confirmed.
Alloy 775 verified.
Gap set, tracking looks good.
Starting test on batch 4B. Watching the yield point.
Precision is absolute in aerospace assembly. Every component aligns to within a fraction of a millimeter. Technicians work simultaneously across multiple levels. Retrieved from freezers at -18 degrees, the carbon fiber prepreg is moved to the cutting room. Ultrasonic heads cut precise ply shapes. The attenuation looks uniform through this section.
Agreed, it meets the Class A standard.
The process begins with alkaline degreasing. Then, a conversion coating adds corrosion resistance. Finally, a precise inside the bay, precision is absolute. Every component aligns to within 0.1 millimeters. Hold position for laser tracking. Every fastener meets exact specifications. Technicians assemble the main landing gear bay. This reinforced box transfers massive landing loads. It uses high-strength titanium. Laser trackers guide the alignment, precise to within 0.5 millimeters. Massive fixtures lock the sections in place. Hundreds of specialists install kilometers of tubing. Each section is torqued to exact specifications. The landing gear bay is particularly dense. Every module precisely aligned. Scale meets absolute precision here.
Accelerating to part power.
All parameters stable.
Bring it up 2 millimeters. Torque spec reached.
Masking technicians precision tape. This defines the customer's livery. Robotic arms apply the color coats. Every teams fit the large overhead stowage bins. Pre-decorated panels form the walls. Passenger service units are locked into place. The specialists assemble the advanced glass cockpit. Every display connects to the digital data bus. The flight deck becomes the
Lower it down, steady now. Align the lugs right there. Secure the hydraulic line.
Technicians pressure test the wing tanks. They search for any nitrogen traces. Stabilized pressure confirms the seal.
All systems energized.
Flight controls initialized.
Data buses show normal activity.
Calculating the center of gravity is critical. Every seat and fluid level must be confirmed.
Flight controls check, direct mode. Copy, ailerons full travel. Elevators full stroke, response normal. Confirmed full rudder travel.
Everything is in order for certification.
We are proud to deliver your new flagship. Rotate. Positive rate, gear up. Positive rate, systems normal.